So today we're going to Landmark because I was invited to this YouTube events. It's kind of a workshop. It's a little bit different from last year's because last year's was virtual, but this year's is different. So I'm supposed to be there at 9 or something like that because it's starting at 10, but I'm really late, and still waiting for my Uber driver, which still haven't showed up, and I don't know why. After this video I'm going to check and see what's holding him. So yeah, it's a little bit different from last year's. This year's is physical, you have to be there, and it's a workshop. So I don't know how it's going to go. I was supposed to have breakfast there, but I'm so late that I know I definitely have to have my breakfast at home before going out. So oh, hold on. Yeah, so I'm ready. So this is how I'm going, with my cap on and this for protection. You know, you can never be too careful because of COVID is still up there, and also I heard that there's this new monkeypox, so you gotta be too careful. So I guess I'll see you guys. I'll show you how the event goes, and we'll just see there. So finally my driver is here. Here's one calling. Hold on. Get me already. Thank you. Oh yeah. Guys, is this for us?
Let me keep this for my friend.
Okay. Look what we have. That's Tomi K. She's a vlogger and also an amazing host because she was so great that when I got home I had to send her a DM to tell her how amazing she was. And then there was Kiki and a couple other comedians that I actually don't know. Well, even Kiki, it's funny how I found out about her page a day before the event. Well, and of course there was Tao. I mean, I love her videos. It's amazing. I think I've seen those twins like a couple of times on Instagram.
2, 1, Africa Boy
And then of course there's Lil J music. Oh my god, and we vibe to Lil J, Mona Lisa, or whatever. But then it was really, really fun. I mean, I loved his performance. It was, you know, out of this world.
To be honest, you guys.
Well, in the end, they announced all the winners because there were some competitions and some, so they announced the winners, and then that was the end of the event. And this is me leaving home with a handful of bags. Oh, they gave me lunch there, but I couldn't eat it because I was so full, so I had to take it home, and it was great. And don't even let me start on this water bottle. I mean, it's the only thing I can say, it's just the shit. Thank you so much for watching. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, because I mean, I go through all the trouble to like make videos and then what, not get any comments or subscribers. So thank you so much. See ya.